Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to learn how to create illusion diffusion artwork. First, let's take a look at how illusion diffusion is being used. This YouTube channel has over 20,000 subscribers and many shorts with over 1,000 views. And this channel uses multiple illusion diffusion images to create long-form videos. And here is a seller on Etsy that creates custom illusion diffusion art using photos sent by his customers. Let's learn how you can create illusion diffusion art of your own for free. In your web browser, search for Hugging Face. Click on huggingface.co. Click on Spaces. Enter illusion diffusion in search spaces. Select the illusion diffusion space created by user AP123. Now let's create our image. We need an image to work with. I searched on Pixabay for animals and selected one with a clean background. Right-click on the image and select Copy Image. We have 4 choices for entering our input image. Let's select the Paste option and use the lion image we have on our clipboard. Now let's enter our prompt. I will use vivid forest scene with a running stream. Click the Run button, and now we wait. If you decrease the illusion strength value, the generated image will lean more toward the prompt. If you increase the illusion strength, the image will lean more toward the input image. You can also enter an input image using your webcam. The third option is entering an input image you upload from your computer. And the last option for the input image is to select one of the simple example images provided. Let's lower the illusion strength so it uses our prompt more in the generation. Click the download button to download the image to your computer. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and view our other videos.